Alright, if you can hear me, sorry for the bad mic quality, but I'm going to be playing this game called Trumpets. It's a psychological horror game. You can get it on itch.io. If I do decide to post this video, I will post the link to it in the description. Alright, so I'm going to turn this down a little bit. What I read from it is that you're supposed to like follow sounds. It's like a sound-based horror game, okay? So here's something over here, so oh, got like, oh, swing set. Thought it was like a teepee at first. Okay, got another CD. Open. I don't even remember where the bench is. I think it's this way. Okay, there it is. Alright, so just gonna head on over. The first one didn't even make any sound though, which is weird. Alright, let's put it on there. Whoa. I hear a cat or like screaming coming from over there. And obviously a siren or something. Can I squeeze through here? I can, alright. Oh my god, dude, these sounds. They're so realistic. I don't like how high quality they are. I have like a stereo 3D. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh no, why is it so dark? Oh Jesus. Turn off. How did that get big again? Like long. I'm gonna go over here and there's gonna be something behind me again. Oh! Holy fuck! Holy shit! I've never been jump scared that hard. Oh my god. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. I'm gonna hold on, let me clip that. Oh my god. Dude, my heart is racing. I have goosebumps. Jesus Christ. Oh my fuck. Oh my god. That is easily the that. Oh my, dude, I'm turning my volume down. That was easily the scariest or like hardest I've ever jumped. Dude, something bad is gonna happen. Oh my god. Oh, got a flashlight now. That's cool. I'm assuming the CD said flashlight or something. I didn't read. I still can't get over that jump scare, dude. I don't want to play this anymore. No. Dude. It doesn't even pause the game when you go like that, so you can't even like, you know, stop yourself. Oh my god, I'm turning down the volume because that jump scare is so loud. Turning it down all the way. It's so dark. It was just so loud. I don't think they'll go with another jump scare like that again though, like right after. Dude,
strange sounds are being heard all around the world. Many areas have been affected by this unsettling natural phenomenon.
it said in the
People
folder
report
like when I
hearing sounds of
downloaded
trumpets
it was just
emanating
a
from the
demo,
sky.
but
What causes this?
pretty sure it's
Where
the full
did
game.
these sounds come from? Though scientists have created quite a few theories, the majority of this aspect remains a mystery.
Alright then. Is there more than this station? 2? Okay.
Well, yeah, and I just thought for a sec. Whenever one door closes, another opens.
Oh, that's definitely that wooden thing. That's gotta be what that is, right? That wooden place? Or that, like, there was like a board. I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare on the way here, though. Oh my fucking god, dude. I hate this, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't do this, dude. Fuck me. Clip that too. I think I'm gonna make like a little montage of all these. Maybe. Let's just upload the full gameplay. Okay. Cool. Studio. I'm gonna be like not facing. I'm gonna be. Oh, Jesus! I thought that was people. There's gonna be a. Oh fuck me! No, no! Why did you do that? No. Give me this. Open. Dude, I don't like it. It's so quiet, but so loud at the same time. Did it open? I don't know. There's gonna be a dude. Oh fuck me. Oh fuck me. Hey buddy. End. Oh my Jesus. I didn't even see him. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna just go past y'all. Y'all cool with that? Can I? What is this? I put it in there. Is this opening? I'm getting in the corner. Dude, what is that sound? I'm still wondering, oh, there's gonna be a jump scare. I'm turning down the volume, dude. Is that door open now? No. Can't mess with anything on this. Let's see, can I? There's nothing to press. It's called end, so is this just the end of the game? If I walk up to one of these dudes, did I die? Oh, he has a tape for me. Oh, I'm stupid. I was too scared to go up to him because I thought I was gonna fucking die. Oh, is he looking at me now? No. It's like the back of my head or whatever. We're just gonna. Oh god. Oh my god, dude, it's over. Alright, thank you for watching. If, again, I do decide to post this. Yeah, you should sub to these guys. I don't know if they made the game, but that was very short, but it's easily one of the scariest games, if not, like, the most scared I've ever been playing a game. That was really good. Anyways, just thanks for watching, and I don't know if I'm gonna be doing more of these, like horror games, because I know on my channel it's like a Call of Duty montage kind of thing, but I don't know. This could be another like series. Anyway, see y'all. Thanks for watching again.